Chicken 500 grain. Chili powder 2 tablespoon. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Pepper 1 tablespoon. Fresh curd 1 cup. Salt 1 tablespoon. Mix everything well. Garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Oil 2 tablespoon. Lemon juice 2 tablespoon. Mix. Now, place the pan in the oven. Two cup coconut oil. Boil the oil well. Add chicken. Okay, now change the chicken to a plate. Next, cut 4 onions in the same oil. Change to a plate after onion blonde. Basmati rice 1 kilogram. Wash it nicely and soak it for 30 minutes. Okay. Now, in boiling water, add whole spices, biryani leaves and sliced lemon. Oil 2 tablespoon. Add soaked rice. Salt 2 tablespoon. Cook until rice is 90% cooked. Let it cook down. Okay, rice is finely boiled. Add 3 tablespoon coconut oil and 2 tablespoon ghee. Add crushed ginger garlic paste and chili. Add 2 cropped onion and 4 cropped tomato. Add curry leaves. Cook it for 3 minutes. Add pinch of salt, chili powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Fresh curd ½ cup. crushed onion. Add 1 cup water. Now, add roasted chicken. Okay. Now put the rice layer. Add coriander and mint leaves. Okay, chicken tikka biryani is ready now.